Which of the following process is very important for the continuation of life on the earth? How many ways of reproduction are found in plants? The parts of the plant body can be divided in how many groups? Which of the following is included in reproductive part of a plant? Which of the following are included in vegetative part of a plant? Which of the following plants can be grown from seed? Where the male gametes are found in a plant? Where the female gametes are found in a plant? The life process in which organisms produce their own kind organisms is called? Where the sexual reproduction in plants takes place? The transfer of pollen grain from male part, anther, to female part, stigma, is called? The fusion of male and female gametes during sexual reproduction is called? The process in which plant can be grown without using seeds is called? Which of the following process ensures that a group of organisms does not disappear from the earth? In which of the following method of reproduction, the fusion of gametes involves? Which of the following processes are taking place in sexual reproduction? Which of the following parts are involved in asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is also called vegetative. Which of the following reproduction method does not require flower or seed? In which of the following reproduction method, the offsprings are identical to their parents? Identical offsprings resulting from asexual reproduction are also known as? In which of the following reproduction method, the offsprings are different to their parents? Vegetative propagation can be broadly classified in how many main types? Which of the following propagation methods are natural? A bud is small swelling that can grow in new. Which of the following plants have buds at the margins of their leaves? Which of the following plant is also called Zakami Hayat? Which of the following is a type of an underground stem with thick, fleshy leaves that store food? Which of the following is grown from bulb? Which of the following is a type of an underground swollen stem? Which of the following is grown from tuber? Which of the following is grown from runner? Which of the following is plant stem that grows along the ground? Which of the following propagation requires human action? Which of the following methods of propagation are included in artificial vegetative propagation? Which of the following vegetative parts of the plant can be used in cutting? Which of the following plants can be grown from seed? When a branch of shrub touches the ground, it produces roots and forms a new plant. This method is called. In which of the following artificial vegetative propagation method, two plants are combined? In grafting, the roots and the bottom portion of one plant is attached with other plant. It is called. In grafting, the roots and the bottom portion of one plant is attached to shoot from the top portion of another plant. It is called. Grafting method can be done for. Which of the following are the advantages of vegetative propagation? Which of the following are the advantages of vegetative propagation? A potato can be grown from its seeds, but mostly farmers cut pieces of potato tubers and bury them in soil because. Farmers prefer vegetative propagation methods because they can. Which one of the following is not a process involved in vegetative propagation? Sexual reproduction is a big advantage to a group of organisms because it provides a lot of. An onion plant produces a new plant without the formation of seeds. This type of reproduction is called. Tulips, lilies, and onion can be reproduced by. A stem is the part of a shoot system which grows in the air. Sometimes stem can be underground in plants like potato tubers have depressions called eyes. If a piece is without an eye, it will not grow into a new plant because eyes. Grafting is done mostly in fruit trees to provide rootstock, which has in layering technique no harm is caused to the parent plant because